Let's see introduction about SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It lets you access and manipulate databases. It can execute queries against a database. It can retrieve data from a database. It can insert records in a database. It can update records in a database. It can delete records from a database. It can create new databases. It can create new tables in a database. In this tutorial, we will learn to create a database, view the created database, create a table, insert a record in the table, view the created table. Some data types commonly used are varchar round bracket size. A variable length string can contain letters, numbers, and special characters. The size parameter specifies the maximum string length in characters can be from 0 to 65,535. Tangent round brackets size. A very small integer. Signed range is from -128 to 127. Unsigned range is from 0 to 255. The size parameter specifies the maximum display width, which is 255. Int round bracket size. A medium integer. Signed range is from -214,748,3648 to 214,748,3647. Unsigned range is from 0 to 429,496,7295. The size parameter specifies the maximum display width, which is 255. Bool 0 is considered as false, non-zero values are considered as true. Decimal round bracket size, D an exact fixed point number. The total number of digits is specified in size. The number of digits after the decimal point is specified in the D parameter. The maximum number for size is 65. The maximum number for D is 30. The default value for size is 10. The default value for D is 0. Date a date. Format YYYY-MM-DD. The supported range is from 1000-0101 to 9999-1231. Let's create a database named college using syntax as shown. The execution is as follows. I am using MySQL command line server version 8. Next is the syntax for displaying the available databases. The execution is as follows. Next, we will use the created database for execution. The execution is as follows. Next we will create table student with the following columns: roll no, name, DOB, M1, M2, M3, where M stands for marks using appropriate column data types. The create table syntax is as follows. Make sure to use the round brackets and each value should end with a comma except the last one. Unsigned means we cannot insert negative numbers as roll numbers are always positive. We are using unsigned. The data types used are the same as previous explained in the start of the video. Now let's insert a record in the table using the syntax as mentioned. So 1 is the roll number, ABC is the name of student having the date of birth as 1999-06-30 having marks as 90, 64, 45. Remember to enclose string data types in quotes. Next, to display the insert value, use the following syntax. The execution is as follows. So we have executed all our tasks as described earlier, and here is a summary of the queries that we executed today. Make sure to subscribe for more such content.